Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and good evening to everyone. Dear students, now today we are going to learn about NCERT syllabus, accountancy 11th standard. So question number 2, page number 64, Saroj Mart Furnitures, the journalized April 2017. The question is given here. So we have to identify, we have to solution is journalism. Okay, so date, details, amount they are given. The statements are 2017 April, business started with cash 1,50,000. Date first, goods purchased from Manisha 36,000. Date first, stationery purchase for cash 2,200. Date 2, open a bank account with SBI for 35,000. Date 2, again, goods sold to Priya 16,000. Date 3, received a check from Priya 16,000. Date 5, sold goods to Nidhi 14,000. Date 8, Nidhi pays for cash 14,000. Date 10, purchased goods from Ritu on credit 20,000. Date 14, insurance paid by check 6,000. Date 18, paid rent 2,000. Date 20, goods costing given as charity 1,500. Date 24, purchase office furniture 11,200. Date 29, cash withdraw for household purposes 5,000. Date 30, interest received for cash 1,200. Date 30, again cash sales 2,300. Date 30, commission paid by check 3,000. Date again 30, telephone bill paid by check 2,000. And the last transaction, date 30, payment of salaries in cash 12,000. Okay students, the statements is given, so we have to solution there to find out the journalism. Okay students. So solution, first of all, what is journal? So journal is nothing but the day-to-day transactions are recorded in the books of account is called journalism. Okay, so which means that you know well there are three golden rules of accounting. Okay, so real accounting, real account, nominal account, and personal account. Okay, now we are going to learn about we have to produce the entry of account is real account. Okay, so real account, what is the debit and credit of real account? The debit and credit of real account is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. In business, what is comes in, what is goes out in our business. So debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So mainly we have to the transaction of debit what comes in, what goes out is cash. Okay, so cash is the mainly thing, mainly recorded in the account of journalism is cash transactions only. They are very important in our business transactions. Cash will be comes or cash will be goes. Okay, we have to mainly concept. So okay, then first this is the format of journal entry. Okay students, this is a very important for the format of journal entry in the books of journal. Saroj Mart as on April 2017. So 2017 April. Okay, so first transaction. These transactions are day-to-day transaction in the bookkeeping. These transactions are recorded in the books of account. We have to transfer the journal entry. Okay, you know well accounting cycle. First of all, bookkeeping, journalizing, the next ledger, next trial balance, next what? Next trading account. Okay, so trading account, which means final account, the trading account, profit loss account, and the balance sheet. Okay, students. So this is your first steps of accounting. Then 2017 the very first transaction is business started with cash. Who is business started? The Swaraj. Swaraj Mart is business started with cash. So in our business transaction, in our business cash will be comes in. Okay. So cash account data. Cash account data to Swaraj capital account. How much students? 1,50,000. In debit side and credit side we have to post them to the 1,50,000. In debtor side 1,50,000. In creditor side 1,50,000. The narration is being business started with cash. Okay, students, this is the first transaction of a journal entry. The next, goods purchased from Manisha, same date. You have to one date first. So same date. Goods purchased from Manisha. Okay. So goods will be comes in, but not cash transaction. So cash will be not given. This is a credit transaction, credit purchase. Okay, students. So purchase goods in our business purchased the goods. What goods they are not mentioned. So we have to write only purchase account data. Only purchase. So purchase account data. So cash will be not given. So credit transaction. So Manisha account. In future we have to pay on Manisha. In Manisha account. Okay, student. So how much? 36,000. In debtor side, debit side 36,000. In credit side 36,000. Same. So being, what is the relation? Being credit purchase. Okay, students. The next transaction, stationery purchased for cash, the same date. So stationery purchased for cash. So cash will be given. Okay. So what comes in? Stationery comes in. So what goods is purchased, there will be mentioned. So in this transaction, what goods is purchased, they are not given. So we have to only purchase account data. So in the statement of first, the stationery will be purchased. So stationery account data, stationery will be comes in. So stationery account data to cash will be given. So cash goes out to cash account. How much, student? 2,200. So being the narration is being cash purchased. Cash purchased. Okay, student. The next, open a bank account with SBI. Date 2. So open a bank account. So in our cash will be goes to bank. Okay. So cash will be goes. What will become? Bank will become. So bank account data are. So automatically cash will be goes. So open a bank account with the SBI. So we have to open the account. The deposit of amount, the minimum balance 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. In the bank rules. So 1,000 or 10,000. So we have to pay. Okay. So cash will be goes. So what will become? Bank will become. So bank account data to cash account. So how much, student? 35,000. They will be deposited on 35,000. Being account SBI account opened. That's all. The next student, date 2, 3, 4. Next, goods sold to Priya. Goods sold to Priya, date 2. They will be not mentioned in cash. Okay, students, they will be not mentioned in cash. So this is a credit sold, credit sales. So what comes in, what goes out? Sold means who is comes? Priya will be comes. So which we have to cash sales. Cash will be comes. Sales will be goes. You know well. But there will be not cash transaction. So Priya is a they have to sales on credit sales. Okay, students. So Priya will be comes in a Priya account data to sales account, because the Priya is in future they have to pay in our sales. So to sales account, how much, student? 16,000. Being credit sales. The next, date 3. Received a check from Priya. Received a check from Priya. So what will be comes in, what will be goes out? They will be not given by cash with the help of check. So how much they will come? They will be comes with the help of bank. So receive in check. So bank account data. Bank account data to what? Priya account, because Priya will be given. Okay, to Priya account. How much? 16,000. Date 2 will be credit sales, credit transaction. They will be next. The very next day they will be paid with the help of a bank check. Okay, student. Being cash paid. That's all okay. Okay, there will be not enough space, so I will be raise hand next. I have to I will be explain to you. Sorry, students, there will be cash received from Priya. Okay, so cash received from Priya. Okay, students. Dear student, the next transaction is date 5. So sold goods to Nidhi. Sold goods to Nidhi, 14,000. Okay, students. Date 5. So this transaction is not a cash transaction. This is here credit transaction, because name is given and also not cash will be mentioned. Okay. So this is a credit transaction. So sold goods to Nidhi. So we have to write down on the who is comes in, what comes in, what goes out. Nidhi will be comes, because cash will be not received. So sold. So we have to write down on the Nidhi account data to sales account. We have to sales on Nidhi. Okay, students. So how much? 14,000. So being credit sales. Okay, students. The next transaction is Nidhi pays for cash. So they have to credit sales on the date of 5, then we have to receive in the date 8. Okay, so date 8 cash will be received. For cash will be received. Okay, so cash account data to who is given? Nidhi is given. So Nidhi account. How much, students? Same 14,000. Being cash received from Nidhi. The next transaction 10, date 10, purchase goods from Ritu on credit. We have to purchase goods from Ritu on a credit purchase. Okay, students. So what will becomes? So what goods is purchase? They will not mentioned. So purchase account data. Purchased account data to from whose? Ritu. To Ritu account. How much, student? 20,000. In debit side and credit side will be post on the same amount to 20,000. Being a credit purchase. Okay, students. So each and every transaction we have to put on the lines for neatness. The next 14, insurance paid by check. We have to pay the insurance premium or insurance with the help of a check, not given cash. Okay, students. So what will becomes in insurance will becomes in date 14. Insurance will becomes in insurance account data to not write down to the cash because we have to with the help of check. So bank account. Okay, students, how much? 6,000. If we have to pay with the help of check cash, then we have to write down on the to cash account. But we have to given check. Okay, students, so we have to write down on the bank account. Being insurance paid by check. The next date 18, paid rent. So rent will be paid. So cash will be goes out to what will becomes rent will becomes in. So rent account data to cash account. How much, student? 2,000 rupees. Being rent paid. That's all. The next date 20. Dear students, so purchase goods date 20. Date 20 goods costing given as charity. Okay, so already we have to purchase the goods will be given the charity, not given by cash or check. So we have to given the charity our goods in our business goods will be given charity. So what comes in charities will becomes in charity account data. So this charity is given the goods, already we have to purchase the goods. Okay, so we have to write down on the to purchase account. Purchase account. Okay, to by sorry being charity the goods withdraw. So what will we have to charity that's all. Okay, so how much cost? 1,500. The goods will be withdraw for not our own purpose but to charity. Okay, so withdraw the goods. or write down to the charity, being charity the goods, that's all, not withdraw. So given charity, okay. So that's all. So there will be not enough space. I will erase and continue. Okay, students. Dear student, the next transaction is date 24. Purchase office furniture. Date 24. Office furniture will be purchased for cash. Then you asking, sir, cash is not mentioned, and at the same time also name will be not given. So name will be not given, credit will be not given. So we have to identify we have to clearly understand the transaction is cash will be not given, so credit will be not given, and name also not given. So we have to identify this is a cash transaction. So purchase office furniture will be cash transaction. So cash will be goes out, office furniture will be comes in. So office furniture account data are to cash account because cash transaction. How much, student? 11,200. Being cash purchase. Okay, students. The next date 29, cash withdraw for household purpose. So we have to the personal uses of cash withdraw. So drawings account data. So date 29, drawings account data. This will be not withdraw for office use. Okay, the personal purpose household use purpose for withdraw the cash. So drawings account data to what will be drawings? Cash will be drawings. So cash account. So drawings how much students? 5,000. So drawings account data to cash account being what? Personal use. Withdraw. Okay, students. The next date 30. Interest received for cash. Date 30. Interest received. So cash will be received. Okay. So cash account data to what? With the help of for the purpose of interest. Okay. So interest received. Interest received. Interest received account. Okay, students, how much, student? 1,200 rupees. Being interest received. Cash. Okay, student. The next, cash sales. We have to sell the goods with the help of cash. Okay, cash transaction. So cash will be comes in. So goods will be sold. Date 30. So cash sales. Dear student, the next question is date 30. Cash sales. So cash sales means cash will be comes in. Goods will be sold. So date 30. Cash account data. To sales account. Being cash sales. How much, students? 2,300. The next, commission paid by check, date 30. So commission will be paid. What comes in? Commission will be comes in commission account. data to not given by cash, so by the way of check, so bank account being commission paid by check. How much, student? 3,000 rupees. In debit column, credit column will be posted. The next, telephone bill paid by check, date 30. So telephone bill will be paid by the way of check, student. So telephone bill expenses account data to by the way of check, so bank account. Being expenses paid by check. How much, student? 2,000 rupees. The last transaction, date 30, payment of salaries in cash. Okay, students, so payment of salaries will be paid by the way of cash. So what comes in? Salaries will comes in salaries account data to the way of cash will be paid. So cash account being salaries paid. How much, students? 12,000. That's all. Okay, students. This journal entry of Mr. Suraj Mark furnishes the journalism. So I hope that every students inshallah very well understand. If any doubt, please comment to me and share to all the students, your friends, and support to my channel inshallah. So thanking you and jazakallah khair for all. Please support my channel. If any doubt, please comment to me. I will inshallah solve the problem. Okay. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh and good evening to all.